2, 1, go.
And we're off in autonomous as the ocean floor is beginning to get active. The currents are moving strong as they try to rebuild the reef. They're starting off in autonomous mode to test the currents before they take over control of the bots. Now the human players have control. They're controlling the bots. Hopefully they've learned a lot from their autonomous section. They've learned what the currents are going to do and how they need to move in order to score on the reef, processing the algae and all they need to do to score points to move on to the next round. S3344 places one high atop the reef. The Red Alliance leading the Blue Alliance with a score of 30-12, as Alliance 7 is leading Alliance 5 right now. As the competition is just underway, the Red Alliance another 4 points in the net, processing that algae, as the Blue Alliance 44-68. They picked some algae up off of the reef. 5,900 moving around, passing the algae to the Red Alliance side. Algae's all over the floor, just floating around, moving. As 3344 places the coral. Oh, they tried, they back off. Placing the coral high atop the reef, another 5 points. As the Red Alliance is moving ahead even further of the Blue Alliance with a score of 53-29 with 1:10 left to go. 67.05, they're at the reef. They're going to try to place their piece of coral on the middle row. That's worth 4 points for the Red Alliance, the Blue Alliance, as they get an inch closer to the Red Alliance. The winner of this match moves on to match number 12 to face off against Alliance number 2. The one with the least amount of points heads back to port. All right, we continue to move as 5,900 trying to pick up their algae, moving it towards a processing station worth 6 points apiece. But the Red Alliance has got 75 points to the Blue Alliance's 45. With 30 seconds left to go, 38-15, drops a piece of coral back onto the ocean floor. Still a lot of time for scoring, still a lot of time for the Blue Alliance to catch up to the Red Alliance, but its time is dwindling down. We got 15 seconds left to go as it's 89-50. All of the cages are anchored shallow for both alliances underneath the barge is 67.05. 38-15, move into the park zone for the barge as 33-44 at the last minute slips on the algae. Heading back to the barge. We'll wait for the fish to start swimming on the reef. The color of the fish that starts swimming indicates who the victor in the match was and who will move on to face Alliance 12 in match. Alliance 2 in match number 12. All right, they're ready to release the fish one more time, and it looks like the Red Alliance. Alliance number 5 is going to face off against Alliance number 2 in match number 12. Alliance 7, it's back to port in the dry dock to make repairs until they return to seaworthy condition to harvest the algae once again.